Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It is so good to see you today. I am David.
And hello everyone, I am Alice. We are so happy you are here with us today. How are you doing, David?
I am doing fantastic, Alice. But to be honest, I am also a little bit hungry.
Hungry? Why are you hungry, David?
Because today we are talking about one of my favorite things in the world. Today's topic is, let's talk about food. Learn everyday English naturally. Beginner conversation practice.
Oh, I love this topic. Food is something we talk about every single day. When you meet friends, when you go to a restaurant, or when you talk about your day, food is always there.
Exactly. Learning how to talk about breakfast, lunch, dinner, and taste in simple English will make you feel so confident.
Yes, it will. Before we start our delicious conversation, please take one quick second to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It flows naturally into supporting us so we can keep making these slow, clear, and encouraging lessons for you.
Thank you so much for subscribing. Now, let us look at the very first step, the 3 main meals of the day.
Excellent. In English, we have 3 main meals. The first meal in the morning is breakfast.
Let us say that slowly together. Breakfast. Breakfast.
The second meal, which we eat in the middle of the day, is lunch.
Let us repeat that word. Lunch. Lunch.
And the third meal, which we eat in the evening, is dinner.
Let us repeat that word slowly. Dinner. Dinner.
David, what do people usually say when they want to ask about meals? Many beginners get confused about the verbs.
Good point, Alice. In English, you can say eat breakfast or have breakfast. Both are completely correct.
Yes. For example, you can ask, what time do you have lunch? Or what do you eat for dinner?
Let us repeat those 2 very useful questions slowly together. What time do you have lunch? What do you eat for dinner?
Oh, David, snack and snake. That is such a famous mistake for beginners.
Yes, please do not eat a snake for a snack. Remember, a snack is a small amount of food you eat between main meals, like an apple, nuts, or a biscuit.
Let us say that word carefully. Snack. Snack.
Now, let us move to step number 2, describing tastes and feelings.
When we eat food, we want to say if we like it or not. How do we describe taste in simple English, David?
If the food tastes amazing, you can say, this is delicious, or this tastes great.
Let us repeat that beautiful word slowly. Delicious. Delicious.
What if you are very hungry before eating? You can say, I am starving.
I am starving means you are extremely hungry. For example, let us order pizza. I am starving.
Let us repeat that phrase together. I am starving. I am starving.
What about after you finish a big meal? When your stomach is happy and full, what do you say?
You say, I am full.
Simple and perfect. I am full. I am full.
Now, let us look at some words for different flavors. If food has sugar, it is sweet, like cake or chocolate. If food has salt, it is salty, like potato chips. If food has pepper or hot chilies, it is spicy.
Let us repeat those 3 basic flavor words slowly. Sweet, salty, spicy.
Now, let us move to step number 3, real-life practice dialogues. Alice and I will show you how to talk about food in everyday life.
Let us listen to dialogue number 1. David and I are deciding what to eat for lunch.
Hey, Alice, are you feeling hungry?
Oh yes, David, I am starving. What time is it?
It is 1 o'clock. Do you want to have lunch now?
That sounds great. What do you want to eat?
How about some hot chicken soup and a fresh salad?
That sounds delicious. Is the soup spicy?
No, it is not spicy at all. It is very simple and warm.
Perfect. Let us eat.
That was a great dialogue. Now let us listen to dialogue number 2. This time, we are at home after dinner.
David, thank you for making dinner tonight. The pasta was amazing.
I am so glad you liked it, Alice. Would you like some chocolate cake for dessert?
Oh, I love chocolate cake because it is so sweet. But honestly, I am completely full.
Are you sure? Just a small piece?
Well, okay, maybe just a very small piece.
There is always space for cake. Now, let us do an interactive practice game for our wonderful listeners.
Yes, listeners, we will ask a simple question about food. Think of your answer and say it aloud at home.
Question number 1. You have not eaten all day and your stomach is making noises. How do you feel? Alice, what is the answer?
The answer is, I am hungry or I am starving.
Excellent. Question number 2. You eat ice cream or chocolate. How does it taste? What is the answer?
The answer is, it is sweet.
Question number 3. You finished a huge plate of rice and chicken. You cannot eat any more food. What do you say?
The answer is, I am full.
Fantastic job, everyone. You answered those so well.
Now, let us move to our slow and clear repetition round. Please repeat after us aloud at home.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am starving.
I am starving.
I am full.
I am full.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I have lunch.
I have lunch.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
This is delicious.
This is delicious.
It is very sweet.
It is very sweet.
It is a bit spicy.
It is a bit spicy.
I love pizza.
I love pizza. Please remember to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family.
Thank you for listening to us today while cooking, driving, studying, or relaxing. Enjoy your next meal, and we will see you in our next easy lesson.
Now, let us move to our slow and clear repetition round. Please repeat after us aloud at home.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am starving.
I am starving.
I am full.
I am full.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I have lunch.
I have lunch.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
This is delicious.
This is delicious.
It is very sweet.
It is very sweet.
It is a bit spicy.
It is a bit spicy.
I love pizza.
I love pizza. Please remember to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family.
Thank you for listening to us today while cooking, driving, studying, or relaxing. Enjoy your next meal, and we will see you in our next easy lesson.